Hi, welcome to my video. On this video, I show you how to remove the WD black external drive. This was designed for the Xbox. At the moment, the drive is more expensive than the external one, so I just take it out from the external enclosure. You need the P10, they call it Tox 10 screwdriver. You only have 4 screws on the tops, just 4 screws. You can use a Stanley knife to open a small gaps, then a flathead Phillips. You have some scratch, but it doesn't matter. So you need 2 of these. Use a piece of paper to start here, so you don't clip back. You spin here, use them on this side. So the clip is all working fine at the moment. Make sure it's like pinch it this way, and then you need something plier. So the clip is like this. There's just one cable to disconnect. So this is the case. Then the same T10s. You can use the small Phillips or the flatheads. It's just 3 screws underneath of this hard drive for the back plans. And you need to slide it out this way. And they are 0B36404. It's pretty good drive. So hope this video help you how to remove this hard drive from the enclosure. And thank you for your watching.